My name is Niklas, and today I'll show you 4 simple tips to help you improve your Wi-Fi. Tip number 1, positioning. Wi-Fi works with radio waves, and these can be disrupted by certain materials like steel, glass, or water. What is the best way to position your router? The router should be placed as high up and freestanding as possible. On the floor or behind furniture is not ideal. A chest of drawers or cupboard is suitable. You can also mount your FRITZ on the wall at shoulder height. It's also important to centrally position the router in your flat. The box transmits in all directions, so you'll have good Wi-Fi reception everywhere. Tip number 2, avoid water. Routers look nice next to flowers or plants, but water significantly weakens the Wi-Fi signal. Plants store water, so the router shouldn't be placed right next to them. By the way, that's also safer for electronics. With thick walls or long hallways, the Wi-Fi signal is often not optimal, but there's a fix. Tip number 3, a FRITZ repeater. For example, the FRITZ repeater 1700. It's compact, runs reliably, has Wi-Fi 7, and is simply plugged into the socket. Press the connect button on the FRITZ box and the repeater, and you're done. In most cases, this significantly improves the range. Pro tip number 4. If you want to know more precisely whether your repeater is too far away or has poor reception, use our FRITZ app Wi-Fi. The app shows you how to position your repeater optimally. I hope I was able to help you with your Wi-Fi problems. If you have any more questions, write them in the comments. See you next time. Ciao.